This is Squirrley Joe. As an individual squirrel, he was grand company in the garden. But he invited a destructive friend, and suddenly my garden looked like a war zone. I didn't want to injure the guy, but I wanted my garden back. So I whipped up a non-toxic spray to keep Squirrley Joe at bay. Now this is just a repellent and it's non-toxic, so while it will help keep Squirrley Joe at bay, it can also work for rabbits, cats, dogs, mice, foxes, root maggots, and borers and beetles. I'm starting with a large handful of my homegrown mint. Be sure to bruise them to release the scent. And a couple tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Next I'm adding garlic powder, but if you're using fresh, use 3 to 4 large cloves. And you're going to top this all with boiling water. Make sure to give it a good stir so these powders are well incorporated in the fluid. Then cover and let steep, ideally for 24 hours. Once it's steeped, make sure to strain so you get your leaves and any undissolved bits out. Then carefully decant in a spray bottle. Don't forget to clearly label it and to test it. Then simply spray around your garden where you see pests. Animals are repelled by the scent, so don't use on a rainy day. Reapply often and only make as much as you need so it stays fresh and strong. Thanks for watching.